Hello everyone, this is my last video that got 50,000 views in one day. And today I'm gonna tell you why exactly this story blew up and others didn't. I will show you my workflow, my graphic tablet, and 3 editing tricks that double viewer retention. Let's go! Trick number 1. The thumbnail. This is 80% of a YouTube video's success. Watch what I do. I put 3 emotions into the thumbnail. The victim, the villain, and the witnesses. Look, Rumi is in kidnapper's arms, uncautious. Zoe on the right, screaming in shock. Mira at the bottom, hand covering her mouth. 3 layers of drama in one image. Next, light contrast. The victim is in warm golden light. The villain is in cold red shadow. The eye instantly reads danger. This works on the viewer's subconscious. No clutter. The viewer reads the thumbnail in half a second and decides to click. Trick number 2. The story formula. I analyzed my previous videos. Love triangles, average performance. Jealousy drama, also average. But kidnapping plus investigation, that's always a hit. Why? Because the viewer becomes a detective. Every 2 minutes, a new suspect. Every 2 minutes, a new twist. The brain doesn't have time to get bored. This video had 4 suspects: the security guard, Mystery, Bobby, and Baby. Each one suspected, each one innocent. And the real villain was the best friend. This formula gives me 44% retention versus 33% on regular stories. And finally, the most important trick. I don't make just fun videos. I tell a story with characters, motives, betrayal, forgiveness. K-pop Demon Hunters is a universe, and I'm building my own storyline inside it. Viewers see that there's real work behind every single shot. Prompts for NanoBanano, prompts for VO3, music in Suno, a custom thumbnail for every video, titles and descriptions, all by hand, all with love. If this breakdown was useful, hit the like button. Drop a comment with which trick you want me to break down separately. And if you make fun videos too, subscribe. I share all my workflow. Next video, a brand new story. And trust me, the ending will shock you. See you soon.